live in a very complex global environment. None but you in the US understand the complexity of this environment. Right now, you're going through a very complex phase. We have to ensure that in this world where noise can dominate the narrative, that we keep focus on the task ahead. And what is that task ahead? The task ahead is what you good people are doing. In the most difficult challenges, to find that narrow way, that narrow opportunity in which we can bring people together. The unification of Guyana, the upliftment of Guyana, and the building of prosperity in every home of Guyana requires all of us to participate. Sometimes the loudest noise are people who are unwilling to participate. One of my greatest happy point of being here, and I want to say this very frankly and very openly. I want to thank all these ladies, mostly ladies, who reached out to me and said, listen, we want Brooklyn to be part of this process. We want to participate. And they went through a lot after the last weekend, but they endured. They kept the faith, and that is what is important. You lose when you lose faith and you abandon patience. That is when you lose. Success is a long road with difficult bumps, but you have to have the endurance, the patience, and the faith to get on that road and be successful in the end. And what this type of society that we want to create is one in which value is created. And how is value created? Value is created by investment in infrastructure, investment in people, investment in technology, and investment, many times we don't get this one, investment in culture. So this is what we're doing. I mean, I don't want to spend this morning going through the development agenda. I just want to ask all of you to block the noise out, to test the system yourself, many of you did, and to participate, to be part of this development trust, to ensure that you register your presence, you register your talent, and that you use this opportunity, because one of the things that we are working on now is how we use the opportunities that are ahead of us to get the diaspora involved. How do we create innovative ways in which you can invest, in which you can be part of this development? And these are the key things for us. We also want to target those who would have retired over here. Many of the developed countries have done this, especially in the medical professions, persons who are doctors, persons who are nurses, lab technicians, because if you come back, I mean, you can have a very different life in Guyana now. There's a lot of what you're accustomed to in Guyana now.